Welcome back, everybody.
You gotta say it's Eric.
This is Eric, and we got Derek here.
Yeah, I'm busy driving though. You do the talking.
He's making his way out west here to the greater Toronto area. We're on a, what are we on? We're on a special marketplace mission. Pick up something to help. What are we going to do to help maybe?
We're looking to be more efficient. We're looking for efficiency now. Things are expensive these days. We gotta like try and save a few bucks here and there in order to get out and make these videos for you guys. So we're trying to be more efficient. I'll say that.
While we drive this V8 Dodge Ram down the highway, we're being as efficient as we can. Probably put this thing in eco mode because you know, we do have the police here on the other side of the road on the highway. We're on Highway 407 for locals. Looks like we got a tow on the one side and OPP pulled somebody over on the other. So we're making sure we stay about 5 over.
We're doing good so far. All the flashing lights have been in the other lane, none in behind me, so that's been alright. I should have flipped my mirror out for Richard. Maybe we'll do that on the way home.
So I guess we'll catch you in a few minutes when we get to where we're going. We still have a little bit of a drive left.
We got Eric hooking the trailer up here. The new purchase. I don't know if he knows what he's doing, but he's working on it. He's playing with it. Not very good with the electrical. I think we got lights.
You got a pin for that?
He's looking for a pin, I guess. Maybe he's gonna ride the trailer like that. I don't know. I don't know what he's doing here. It's a weird look. Maybe he's gonna ride back there instead of riding me. Hold the hitch on. No, I guess he's doing his walk around, a circle check maybe now, making sure everything's good. Kicking the tires, yep. Looking underneath, making sure it's all ready to go. Yep. Checking the brake lights. I think they're looking for a pin for the hitch. We didn't bring one. We forgot one. Maybe we got a bolt or something we can put in there maybe. We'll figure something out here. He's rummaging around. Eric's probably telling them what he needs to find. It looks like they got something. They're coming here. Let's see what they got.
Always when you need one, you know it's
Sorry about the video quality, it's not the best. Oh, we got something here. What are we putting in it? Eric's giving it a once over.
okay. Wait, thank you. Yep.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Matt, yep, thank you. Take care later.
Put her in drive. Trying to record me fooling around back there?
I was pulling the Susan. I was commentating while you hooked the trailer up. I didn't get the first part of it. But, you trust this to get home now? How are we looking over there? We're gonna miss the pole?
You got any tools to take a tire off in case it blows?
We're gonna miss a pole over there?
Yeah.
What do you mean? We got 2 extras.
Yeah, but oh, you just leave it.
Yeah.
So, how's my negotiation skills?
Well, I think we got enough money to buy a couple of spare tires. That's what I was thinking.
Well, we just met Matt up here in Caledon, Ontario. We got ourselves a new, what did we get?
Smoking deal.
What did we get? A smoking deal?
Smoking deal.
You probably already saw what I was doing behind. I know it's kind of dark now. We're getting into the late hours. That's when we have to do most of our work because, you know, people are always watching us. So we're out here in the night.
Sometimes the best deals come at nighttime. I don't know why, but
When you
under the cover of darkness, you get some good deals.
When you see those deals, you got to action fast. So we got ourselves a car trailer, 20-foot car trailer, confirmed by the tape measure. We had the owner there pull up a tape measure just to make sure. I don't think Derek's going to get home with the tires, but he says it's got 4 tires. He only needs 2 to get home. Hopefully they're 1 on each side, but you know.
The one thing we didn't check was the width, and I think it's only 64 inches wide, so the talon might be hanging off the edges. The 800 will fit for sure though, so I might have to leave the talon at home on a few rides.
I never thought about the width, but obviously you thought about it, but you didn't think about it enough to do anything about it.
No. I'm rolling the dice on it. Roll the dice, hope for the best.
We can't go wrong. So it's there. Oh, it's nice and bright. You can see it back there. It's got nice lights. Everything seems to be working fine. So we'll
we only got a 10-minute drive to get it home, so we should be all right.
Yeah. So we'll
camera time 10 minutes.
We'll pick this up on another little walk around so you guys can see this gem that we got.
Eric keeps buying these projects. I think he just likes me to keep me busy in the garage. We got a bit of work to do on the trailer, get it fixed up, cleaned up, so we'll maybe video some of that. We'll have to figure out how we're going to tie the machines down, whose machine's going on it. I don't know. We got a lot of decisions to make now. It just sounds like a whole lot more work.
Just make sure you head over to actually I'm wearing one of the hoodies right now, you can see. So I think in the link somewhere down here you'll see a little button that says shop, is where you can pick up some of this new merch at shop.sideshowguys.com. Everything will help. We'll put it all back into the channel so we can continue to buy cool new stuff like this,
or projects and work,
or buy more projects for Derek to do on his days off, and bring you some amazing content. So we'll I don't think we'll end it here. We'll let you guys see a walk around of the trailer, but we'll probably do that when it's lighter outside.
Well, the other night, I'm sure you've seen earlier in this video here, we picked ourselves up a new addition to the Sideshow Guys garage. So we'll show you what we got here, a little walk around. So we bought ourselves a 20-foot car trailer. It's a Cargo Max, 3,500 pound axles in it. Maybe sees a set of tires. We'll check these tires out a little closer. We'll check the bearings out. Needs a little TLC. Got a little bit of rust. We'll give her a bit of paint job. I'm gonna power wash the wood here, see how it comes out. Really, we only need 2 good outside boards pretty much to put side-by-sides on. Just so we can take 2 side-by-sides on the rides. And take 1 truck rather than 2. So that's a little walk around. That's the next project we got here. We're all done with Eric's Polaris. We got it done. We got the 800 done. I didn't want to get bored, so we picked up another project. Like I said, we'll get her cleaned up, looking good. Hopefully, it'll do the trick for what we want. We don't need anything heavy duty, so this should do the trick, make life a little easier. So I'll get the power washing it up, see what we're working with, and we'll go from there. Well, it's getting late, so I think that's it. The sun's setting in the background. Hopefully you can see that. So that's enough for today. We got the trailer all power washed up, cleaned the deck on it. It's come up pretty good. Still needs a bit of work, but we did get her cleaned up. We got her ready for some paint. Maybe some new tires. Keep these ones for spares. So yeah, just trying to make it look a little better before Eric sees it again. I don't know if he was fully impressed with this purchase or not, but he was like that with the 800 too. So once I do a little more work to it and get maybe some paint on it and clean it up, maybe he'll be more on board. Once he got the 800 fixed up, he was very impressed with it. So well, hopefully we can win him over with this trailer and maybe take both machines on it and save some gas money. Who knows? Well, we've spent some money. We've done some work to the trailer here. This is just an update video on the trailer that we bought a couple weeks ago there. We finally got it all done. We're ready to take it on its maiden voyage here. So we'll show you what we got for a setup now. We gave it a good coat of paint, painted it all. We power washed the deck. We got new tires and rims on it. Facebook Marketplace buy. Good deal on them, better than Princess Auto. Of course, we got the Sideshow Guys sticker on there with all our social media, just for free advertising. We got E-track here, all set up. We got these here at the midway point of the trailer, so we can put Teryx Polaris on the back here, and it will go all the way. That the rear tire will sit on the very back here, so we put the Polaris on the back, so if it falls off, it's not a great loss. We shorten the ramps up here just to have a nice little set of ramps. We're still figuring out how we're going to attach them to the trailer yet. We're not sure yet. So Eric will drive on until he puts his front wheels here. Of course, we put the straps over the tires, strap it down. And then the Honda Talon's on here, because we need a 22-foot trailer, and we bought a 20-foot trailer. We made these little extensions here. I built these out of the ramps were much longer, and I cut them and welded them together here. So my front tire will sit right in this little dish here. And then we got the little piece of E-track here to put our clamp in. Of course, again, around our tire, and then we clamp down here. Put a dimmer jack on it that's removable, just a single bolt, just like a car hitch here. You slide it off. We'll have to find a place for it to go on the trailer. We got our breakaway switch there, a new one, the red there. And of course, the same over on this side here. These little ramps we built. Now we're just taking the Talon and the 800. The Talon will go on the rear here. Same deal. We'll probably put the tires in front of these. And then the 800 will go here. But the 800 doesn't need to go up on these ramps because it's shorter. So we can probably just park it like right here. But we did redo the bolts going across here because the screws are kind of rusted a bit. So we rebolted that. Gave it a good paint job. It's come out really good. Very happy with it. And towed two machines. I can take the 800 and the Talon together now. If Eric and I want to do a trip together as well, we can take one truck and we can take this trailer with the Polaris and the Honda Talon on it to maybe save a few dollars on gas. We've tested all the lights. We've taken a quick lap around the block, and everything seems to work. So we're going to tow it to the motorhome for the first trip. Of course, you see the motorhome over there. We're going to tow that. So the motorhome's 29 foot. And then a 20-foot car trailer on behind. So it'll be rolling just like a semi. So stay tuned, and that's a little update on the trailer. Hopefully we'll get some pictures and some video of us loading it up on here, the machines, and show you how we what it looks like when it's all loaded up. So stay tuned for that. And thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next video.